everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about how to replace the wiper blades on a 4th generation Ford Mustang. And yes, for our viewers this is going to be too simple, so I'll catch you on the next video. But if you found this video while searching because you want to learn how to replace your wiper blades on your Mustang, just keep on watching. To get started, lift your wiper arm. And one piece of advice, whatever you do, don't let the wiper arm go because it's spring loaded. And yes, it does lock. Like right now, you know, I have my hand right here just in case, but it's not going anywhere. However, if you leave it like this and you walk away, there's a possibility that with the slight movement, this arm will come crashing down and it'll smash your windshield. So this is just a word of advice. Just keep your hand, one of them, holding your arm at all times regardless. So now I'm going to bring the camera up close to show you how to disengage the wiper from the wiper arm. This particular car still has the old hook style wiper arm, and the wiper blade is going to be held in two different ways. This one, which as you can tell is made by Bosch and is held by two clips, one right here and one over here. They keep the wiper from sliding this way. To remove this type of wiper, all you have to do is apply pressure from this side to this side so you can release these two clips right here. Show you. So hold your wiper arm with one hand and pull with your other hand and it releases it just like that. Another way to do this, it's locked again. You could always grab it like this, put one hand right here and one hand right there, and just pull like that without letting your wiper arm, like I said, then gently set it down so you can go and get your new wiper. And if your wiper has the same style of clip, then you just install it in the opposite way. You just push it until it snaps like that and you're good to go. But to make this video more helpful, I'm going to show you a different style of clip. This wiper blade is made by a company named Anko and it clips differently. So I'm going to take this one off again and I'm going to show you how this latches. So I'm going to bring the camera up close again. So this is a totally different clip. I'm going to remove it from the wiper so I can show you. If you look right here, you can see this pin. This pin right here locks in the orifice that the wiper arm has. So when you slide your wiper like that, it locks. To remove this type of clip, you press on the stab like that and then you pull it out like this. And I'm going to show you with the wiper attached to the clip. So here we have the wiper attached to it. I depress with one finger and then I pull the wiper out like that. So those are the two most common clips for this type of vehicle that has the hook style. So there you have it. That's how simple it is to replace your wiper blades on your Ford Mustang. Thank you for watching. See you next time.